What is the primary function of a vernier caliper? Is it to measure angles, to measure precise linear dimensions, to cut metal, or to check surface finish? The correct answer is to measure precise linear dimensions. Vernier calipers measure internal and external dimensions up to an accuracy of 0.02 millimeters. Which tool marks a point for drilling? Is it a scriber, center punch, divider, or surface gauge? The answer is a center punch. A center punch creates a dimple to guide drill bits. What is the least count of a standard micrometer? Is it 0.1 millimeters, 0.01 millimeters, 0.02 millimeters, or 0.5 millimeters? The correct answer is 0.01 millimeters. Micrometers measure with 0.01 millimeter precision. Which file removes material quickly? Is it a smooth file, rough file, second cut file, or dead smooth file? The answer is a rough file. Rough files have coarse teeth for rapid material removal. What material is used for a fitter's chisel? Is it aluminum, high-carbon steel, brass, or mild steel? The correct answer is high-carbon steel. This material ensures the durability of the chisel. What does a tap do in fitting? Does it cut external threads, cut internal threads, drill holes, or measure depth? The answer is that it cuts internal threads. Taps create threads inside holes for screws. Which safety gear is essential for grinding? Is it gloves only, safety goggles, earplugs only, or loose clothing? The correct answer is safety goggles. Goggles protect your eyes from sparks. Alright, here's question 8. What is the angle of a standard V-block? Is it A, 45 degrees, B, 60 degrees, C, 90 degrees, or D, 120 degrees? The correct answer is C, 90 degrees. V-blocks use a 90-degree groove for round objects. Moving on to question 9, what does annealing do to metal? Does it A, harden it, B, soften it, C, increase its weight, or D, make it magnetic? The right answer is B, soften it. Annealing improves ductility through heating and slow cooling. And now question 10, which tool checks surface flatness? Is it A, tri-square, B, surface plate, C, vernier caliper, or D, protractor? The answer is B, surface plate. Surface plates provide a flat reference. What is a reamer used for? Is it A, cutting threads, B, enlarging holes, C, marking centers, or D, measuring angles? The correct answer is B, enlarging holes. Reamers finish holes to precise sizes. Which spanner suits hexagonal nuts? Is it A, pipe wrench, B, ring spanner, C, adjustable spanner, or D, torque wrench? The answer is B, ring spanner. Ring spanners grip nuts securely. What is the angle of a twist drill bit? Is it A, 90 degrees, B, 118 degrees, C, 135 degrees, or D, 150 degrees? The answer is B, 118 degrees. 118 degrees is standard for drilling. What does a feeler gauge measure? Is it A, hole depth, B, clearances, C, surface roughness, or D, thread pitch? The correct answer is B, clearances. Feeler gauges are used to check small gaps. Why is cast iron used for machine bases? Is it because of A, high flexibility, B, vibration damping, C, low cost, or D, conductivity? The answer is B, vibration damping. Cast iron helps in stabilizing machines. What is chipping? Is it A, drilling, B, removing metal with a chisel, C, welding, or D, measuring? The correct answer is B, removing metal with a chisel. Chipping is the process of cutting excess metal. Alright, let's dive into the next question. What is the metric thread angle? Is it 45 degrees, 55 degrees, 60 degrees, or 90 degrees? The correct answer is C, 60 degrees. Just so you know, metric threads use 60 degrees. Moving on, which tool checks a right angle? Your options are A, bevel protractor, B, tri-square, C, divider, or D, scriber. The answer is B, tri-square. Tri-squares are used to verify 90-degree angles. Next question, what does a die cut? Is it A, internal threads, B, external threads, C, holes, or D, grooves? The correct answer is B, external threads. Dies are used to thread rods or bolts. What precaution should be taken when bench grinding? Is it A, using the wheel side, B, keeping the tool rest close, C, using bare hands, or D, wearing loose sleeves? The correct answer is B, keeping the tool rest close. The tool rest prevents the workpiece from jamming. What is a hacksaw used for? Is it A, measuring, B, cutting metal, C, smoothing, or D, joining? The correct answer is B, cutting metal. Hacksaws are typically used to cut metal or pipes. What is the density of mild steel? Is it A, 2.7 grams per cubic centimeter, B, 7.8 grams per cubic centimeter, C, 8.9 grams per cubic centimeter, or D, 11.3 grams per cubic centimeter? The correct answer is B, 7.8 grams per cubic centimeter. Mild steel's density is approximately 7.8 grams per cubic centimeter. What locks nuts or bolts? A, feeler gauge, B, cotter pin, C, reamer, D, scriber. Answer B, cotter pin. Explanation: cotter pins secure components. What gas is used in TIG welding? A, oxygen, B, nitrogen, C, argon, D, hydrogen. Answer C, argon. Explanation: argon shields the weld area. What aligns machine parts? A, dowel pin, B, tap, C, file, D, punch. Answer A, dowel pin. Explanation: dowel pins ensure alignment. What measures thread spacing? Is it A, plug gauge, B, thread pitch gauge, C, ring gauge, or D, depth gauge? The answer is B, thread pitch gauge. It checks thread pitch. What is a ball peen hammer for? Is it for woodwork, chipping, prying, or measuring? The answer is chipping. It drives chisels for chipping. What does PPE stand for? Is it power production engine, personal protective equipment, precision process efficiency, or portable power extractor? The answer is personal protective equipment. PPE includes safety gear. What is a counterbore? Is it a threaded hole, an enlarged hole for a bolt head, a tapered hole, or a drilled slot? The answer is an enlarged hole for a bolt head. Counterbores recess bolt heads. What is the SI unit of force? Is it a watt, a newton, a joule, or a pascal? The answer is newton. Force is measured in newtons.